Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Piping, Welding, and DT. So thank you so much for all my subscribers and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Okay, so this is our topic for today is all about angles and lengths of sides. So how to find the angle and how to find the length of sides. So this is the formula. So please take note all these formulas. So this is a very important uh, when you are in a fabrication, you are in the field, okay, and also if you are going to the interview for the employer. So please take note this formula. So first is the how to find the angle when two length of side are known. Okay, so this is our formula. Set divided by triangle equals sine. So you can get here the degrees. Okay, for example, this is a 45 degrees. Okay, a 45 degrees. So example is sine 45 degrees is 0.707. Okay, so if your answer is if you divide it, for example, if you divided set divided by triangle, if the answer is sine 0.707, the degrees is 45 degrees. Okay, so this is the formula to find the degrees. Okay, and angle. Okay, so number one, set divided by triangle equals sine. Okay, this is our set, this is our run, and this is our travel. Okay, so number two is run divided by travel equals cosine, set divided by run equals tangent, run divided by set equals cotangent, and travel divided by run equals secant, and travel divided by set equals cosecant. So this is this 2 for 6. So this 6 formulas to find the angles of two sides are known. Okay, just divide it and just divide the set and triangle equals sine, and you can see in the trigonometric table how what is the angle of this set and triangle. Okay, so next is this is our next formula to find the length of sides when the angle is known. So if the angle is known, okay, example when the angle is known is this is a 45 degrees. Okay, and then we have a triangle here, number 20. So just multiply it. So 20 multiply it to 45 degrees. So you cannot multiply the 45 degrees. Just look here. Sine 45 degrees. This is a 45 degrees equals 0.707. You can multiply here 0.707 and the answer is set. Okay, if your triangle is 20, just multiply it to sine 45 degrees. So this is how to read this table. Okay, this is the angle of offset. Sine 45 degrees is 0.707. Okay, equals, if you multiply it here, 20 times 0.707 equals set. Next formula is we are looking for run. So just multiply it, the triangle, multiply it to cosine. Cosine of 45 degrees is the same, 0.707. Okay, next is looking for set. And the given is run and the tangent. Okay, if our run is 5, just multiply of tangent of 45 degrees is 1. Okay, 1.000. So this is the tangent of 45 degrees. Next is looking for run. So this is the formula. Just multiply the set, multiply the cotangent of 45 degrees equals 1.00. So the same from the tangent. And next is we are looking for travel. So our given is a run. Multiply it to second, 45 degrees equals 1.414. So this is second of 45 degrees, 1.414. So they have some comments for my videos, and they said that how do I get that 45 degrees? How do I get the 1.414? Okay, so this is guys the answer. Okay, the secant of 45 degrees is 1.414. So dito ko nakuha yung 45, dito ko nakuha yung 1.414 sa 45 degrees. Secant of 45 degrees equals 1.414. You can in my other videos, you can directly multiply it to 1.414. So the same this one. If the given is run, okay, and the given of 45 degrees, the angle, just multiply it to, example is 5 run, just multiply it to 1.414, and the answer is travel. Okay, next is set, multiply it to cosecant, the same. Cosecant of 45 degrees is 1.414. So this is the formula to find the angle and to find the length of what sides when the angle is known, and how to find the angle when the length of two sides are known. So please take note all these guys. This is a very important formulas. Okay, so this is the angle of offsets. Ay nasabi ko na kanina kung paano magbasa nito, how to read this angle of offset. Okay, and this is how to read it. Sine 45 degrees, this is 45 degrees, 0.707, cosine 0.707. okay, if the sine is 30 degrees, this is the 0.500, okay, and the cosine is 0.866. If your tangent is 60 degrees, okay, if your tangent is 60 degrees, this is, you can multiply here to 1.732. If your cotangent is 9 degrees, okay, you can multiply it 6.3. If our secant is 11.114, okay, secant, this is, you can multiply here 1.020. So this is how to read this angle of offset. And also you can see also in the trigonometric table, you can find also the sine and cosine, tangent, cotangent of any degrees. So please take note guys, and thank you so much for watching again my videos, and thank you so much again to all my subscribers and supporting my channel. Okay, please support again my channel, and I will agawa uli ako ng mga bagong video, and I will make more videos for you guys. And also para to all new pipeters, please watch this again so that you can gain your knowledge about piping. Okay, so this is you can help your family for learn how to example for this formula. So thank you so much guys, and have a nice day guys. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.